Many of us take over-the-counter medications to stop diarrhea. Is there any problem with this practice? Let us see the answer in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, health-related explanations are provided via videos which are released every week. If you want to see such videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you have any such queries, kindly post it in the comment section. I will try to answer them in subsequent videos. Today's video is about taking over-the-counter medications, especially to stop diarrhea. One of the most important medicines is loperamide. This is available in many commercial names. Okay, how does this loperamide work? This works by slowing the intestinal movement. In diarrhea, intestinal movements are happening at a rapid pace. So this is slowing that intestinal movement. So logically it seems to work, no? So your diarrhea seems to get better. But we have to understand why is diarrhea happening. Whenever there is a disease, whenever there is a symptom, we have to understand the why of it. So diarrhea may happen because of some viral infection, a bacterial infection, a parasitic infection. Sometimes maybe because of some irritable bowel syndrome, some other cause. Depending upon the cause, the treatment will vary. So this one size fits all. This medicine will arrest diarrhea, will not work. So whenever there is an infection, especially a bacterial infection or parasitic infection, the toxin and the bacteria are getting away through the diarrhea. So when you treat, you have to essentially stop the process of toxin production, kill the bacteria, and then stop diarrhea. These processes should go simultaneously. But if you only take these loperamide, what is happening? The toxin is not going away. The bacteria is actually multiplying. Thereby, actually, you may land up in complication. So, without a doctor's consultation as to knowing the reason for diarrhea, if you just take these diarrhea arresting medication, you may land up in problems. And these medicines are not without side effects like abdominal pain, sleepiness, okay? Especially for children, they can land up in bigger problems like paralytic ileus or toxic megacolon, which may even go to the extent of landing up in a surgery. So we have to be very cautious in using these medications. So how to decide about this? Essentially, in a country like India, where the chance of infectious diarrhea is more, if you have diarrhea, it is better or prudent to visit the doctor. You have to rehydrate yourself, you take ORS, but in the meanwhile visit the doctor to ascertain the cause and treat the cause accordingly. Even if you are in a Western country, the chance of infectious diarrhea being less, already if you are diagnosed with syndromes like irritable bowel syndrome, you can take these medications in the prescribed dose. But if it persists beyond 2 days, or if you have fever, or if you have blood in your stools already, you should not take this medication at all, and you should visit the doctor immediately. And absolutely you should not use this in children, or for that matter in pregnant women or in breastfeeding mothers. So indiscriminate use of these diarrhea arresting medications can land us in troubles bigger than the initial trouble of having diarrhea. So whenever you are having diarrhea or loose stools, it is essential to rehydrate, not take these instant medications which can stop diarrhea. Hopefully this video would have cleared your confusions regarding these medications. If you like this video, share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again. Bye.